welcome to the video lecture 4. And in video lecture 4, we will talk about the engineering into the spreadsheet. And after today's class, you will be able to do activity 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6. So let's dive into the activity 3.4. And just before I jump into the activity 3.4, I just want to tell you before this, we did talk about the print layout and spreadsheet and the algebraic function. So if you haven't watched those videos, go and watch those videos. They are really useful. Now, let's talk about the engineering problems, complicated engineering problems. In this one, we are given a complicated formula up here, and I wanted to find the answer. The way these variables K, L, N, all these way for these variables, the values are given down here. I wanted to find the answer to the given question. So first of all, I have to press equal to, and then it says K. I'll take the K value, and then I have to put the multiplication symbol. Notice here there is no multiplication symbol, but Excel doesn't understand the bracket. And then if you just put any number in front of it, we have to put the symbol what you are trying to do. Either you are trying to do the division or multiplication. We have to put that symbol. In this case, we are trying to multiply. So I'll put the multiplication symbol, then start the bracket. L value is given down here, and then multiply it with n value. This is the n value. Then close the bracket and then raise to the power. It is 0.467. So 0.467. Then multiply it with s, and then raise to the power negative 0.235, negative 0.235, and then I'll press enter. That's going to give me the final answer. And right, let's move to the problem number 2. So this problem is a little different from the problem number 1 because here the power was given to us in the decimal form. Here the power is given to us in the fractional form. All right, so let's see how we're going to solve this question. So I'm going to press equal to 1 divided by n. So I will put the value of 1. I'll put 1 first of all. 1 is a constant divided by n, and n value is this. This is the n value. So I'm going to select the cell. I'll put this in the bracket first of all, just to make sure that everything goes smoothly, and then multiply it with the r value. What is RH? This is the RH given to me here, and raised to the power 2 over 3. So I'll put raised to the power. Now I must use the bracket. In the previous case, I did not use the bracket because it was given to me in the decimal form. But in this case, I must use the bracket to get the correct answer. 2 divided by 3, close the bracket, and then I will multiply it with the s value, which is this one, and then raise to the power again, and then start the bracket. 1 divided by 2 and close the bracket, and that's gonna give me the final answer for this one. So let's see if I won't have used the brackets, then what would have happened. So I'm gonna copy this formula. I'm gonna copy this, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. Oops, here, Control V, and let's see if I remove the bracket, will my answer be different? So I remove the first bracket. Now I'm going to remove the other bracket too, and I can clearly see my answer is totally different. Why? Because what the Excel is thinking of it as, so whatever this value is, b raised to the power 23, it's squaring b raised to the power 2 and then dividing it by whatever answer you're going to get for this portion. That portion will be divided by 3. That's what Excel is thinking it as. Compared to, it should have taken it as b23 raised to the power whatever the exponent is, that is 2 divided by 3. So hopefully you were able to understand some of the details. Now go to the activity 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6. I'm sure you will be able to perform these activities. Make sure you pay attention to the details, where to put the bracket, where not to put the brackets. And yeah, good luck. I'll see you with another video. Till then, goodbye.